Hey folks, this is former Navy SEAL Cade Courtley with your 4Patriots Survival Minute. Today I want to go over the very basics of reading a map and using a compass to figure out where you are and then to figure out where you're going to go. Okay, right here is a USGS topo map. Topo basically means it shows the elevation, topography, and it does it by showing contour lines. First thing you want to do is this. The top of every map is north. Okay, so you take out your compass, dial it to 360, take the side of the compass and line it up with one of the vertical lines on the side of a map. Then you rotate the map until the compass, boom. Now you've just orientated your map. The top of the map is pointing north, all right? So that's orientating your map. Next, you're trying to figure out your specific location. You're gonna do this by trying to find a landmark that you can see on the map and you're like, okay, that is definitely that. Okay, because there's a river right in front of me. That is the highest mountain in that range. There's nothing to the left of it. So take your compass, open it up, and you will shoot a bearing to the very top of the mountain that you've identified on this map. Okay, that mountain top on here is 360, which is also due north. But what you want to know is where you're at. So imagine you are on the top of that mountain and you're shooting right back to here. That's called a reciprocal or a recip. So a recip back from that is 180. Go ahead and on here, from the top of that hill, just follow one of the vertical lines. Okay, now you need to identify a second known landmark on here. I'm gonna follow that mountain range to the right because it stops after that one. And it's great because that's almost 90 degrees. So shoot a second bearing. Final hill on that chain is 090. Go ahead and do a second straight line from that known hill, 090. What's the reciprocal of 090? Back at me is 270. So you can see, by shooting the reciprocal of two known points where the X's cross, boom, that is my location right there. Now you know where you are. Part two, where do you want to go? Well, I want to go to what I see over here is a landing field. Maybe I can get some help there. All right, so what I want to do now that I know where I am is I want to go to right here, landing field private, so maybe I could get some help. So what you do is you take your compass, reset it to 360 on top, go from my point to where I want to go, dial the compass back around until the needle is over the arrow in the bezel, and now I know I need to do a course of 278. Okay, come over to 278, start walking to the landing field. That's your latest 4Patriots Survival Minute. Now be sure to subscribe to this channel so you can see my latest survival minutes every time they're ready. And please like this video and share these tips with people you care about so you can be a survivor, not a statistic. Cade out.